Pakistan. 2 days down, how has been your experience so far?
Fantastic. I'm excited and proud to be in India, in Delhi especially. I have a lot of friends and a lot of colleagues that I know here. And I think the response has been fantastic. You can see so many people buying, people are interested. What you're seeing today are the best of Pakistani brands. The best that you can get out of Pakistan in terms of cotton, in terms of textile, in terms of fashion, in terms of agriculture, in terms of gift items, in terms of furniture. I mean, this is a prime #1 exhibition from Pakistan. And we are actually very proud to be here.
People in India are going gaga over your collection. Would you please tell us something about your latest collection?
My collection for Orient Textile Mills, which is our lawn, which is a new word for India, of course. Lawn basically is 100% cotton fabric, which is made from Pima American thread. And it's considered as one of the most versatile and comfortable fabrics to wear for summer. And we collaborate, amongst other things, is with Orient Textile Mill, which is the best mill in Pakistan for fabric to come up with the Orient Deepak Qurbani lawn. The collection that you're seeing here is the Spring-Summer 2012 collection, and influences are many. We've got Kantha, we've got Raleigh, we've got Baroque, we've got Barcelona, we've got Paris, we've got New York, we've got a lot of countries which are fused in to create this year's collection. And I'm very, very excited because not that its collection sold out in Pakistan, but it's almost sold out in India also.
So many things under a single brand. Do you want to exhibit solo in India?
I love to exhibit solo in India, but on a proper level. I don't believe in suitcase designing. I believe that trade should be open so that we can import products and we can open stores and we can take further the business of fashion.
Let's play a rapid fire with you. One Indian fashion designer you really like?
Rohit Bal.
Okay, and one international fashion designer?
That I really like? John Galliano.
And one designer you don't like?
International or it can be any. I don't like. I mostly like most fashion designers. Pierre Cardin maybe. Don't like.
If you were a model, which Indian fashion designer you would like to walk, except for Rohit Bal?
Rohit Gandhi.
So you like both the Rohits. Okay. Any Indian model you want your collection to sachet?
I think, if not model, but I think I love to do some stuff for Priyanka Chopra for sure.
So you
and Vidya Balan.
would like to even design for Indian Bollywood, films, movies?
I want to be in Dirty Picture also.
You'd like to speak something for our audience?
Thank you for welcoming us. You know, it is fantastic. Our friends and colleagues and everybody who we've met from India in the last 2 days have been so hospitable, and it's fantastic to be here. Please come to the exhibition. If you guys can see this before this, we get off or you come on air. Please, it'll be lovely to see all of you, and thank you for your hospitality.
Anticipating a hot weather in future, any fashion tip which you would like to give to our audience?
Wear lawn. Best fabric for summer. Actually the best fabric for summer, because if it wasn't, Pakistan wouldn't be going crazy about it, and India is completely going gaga over it right now. If you go to these stalls around, you see how women are going mad over lawn.
I'm sure Pakistani cotton would be the best suited fabric for this summer.